Let's make baked potato chicken pot pie. For this recipe, you'll need a 9-inch deep dish pie crust, 1/2 of a chicken breast, 1/2 cup onions, 1 celery stalk, 1 carrot, 2 parboiled potatoes, 1 can of cream of mushroom soup, 2 tablespoons of butter, a pinch of marjoram, and salt and pepper to taste. Start by slicing thinly your carrot and celery, cubing your parboiled potatoes, chop your onion, and then cube your chicken. Next, cook the chicken cubes until completely done on medium-high heat with a little olive oil and salt and pepper. Next, saute the celery, carrots, and onions in your butter until tender. Add your cream of mushroom soup and milk, and then heat through. Lay the cooked chicken breast out into the pie crust, spoon on the soup and vegetable mixture, and then layer the top of the pot pie with the cubed parboiled potatoes. Top the pot pie with salt, pepper, and the marjoram. And then bake at 425 degrees for 25 to 35 minutes. Serve and enjoy.